Jesus Christ. Mom, what's wrong with what did she eat?
What the best part is
But I don't need to go outside.
and spend money.
Who said that? I'm gonna charge you for all of this.
Hello guys, hello pretty people. What's up? I hope you are doing great. So I came up with a new vlog and many more videos on the way. Challenges, cooking recipes, dance. Also do go and check my YouTube shorts. I'm making sure that I post one short daily. So today I'm gonna get my nails done. So you can see I don't have nails. Who's doing it? My sister. So let's vlog it. Behind the scenes. So this is my sister's, and well, how are the lot? She doesn't want to be framed, but she's the voice behind my video. This is my first time getting my nails done.
Like finally you're now become a big girl.
Guys, my sister is doing such a beautiful thing. What the best part is that I don't need to go outside and spend money.
Who said that? I'm gonna take the money of this. I'm gonna charge you for all of this once you get monetized.
So once I get monetized, right? But for now it's like free of charge. So everything is done at home. Let it be facial or nail art. My sister took this as a hobby first, but now she is like a pro. She's professional in this.
Now I took it as a career. Just like for you dance was initially, right?
Yes.
Now you also took it as a career.
I'm just happy I'm doing my nails for the first time. I was like excited to see what's gonna happen next.
Is it paining?
No, my nails were like long, then I cut it short because I had to do cooking and all. But now again I want to do a little show off. Why not? Dead skin. Oh my god, what all is there?
These are all the dead skins.
Oh, guys, I'm I say astonished. I'm shook. I never knew like all of this stuff. Getting to learn many things. See my new hairstyle. You getting like hard right here? Oh. Hey mom, say hi to my people. They want to see you. What for Izzy will do nails? Nail art. I'm not doing nail art. I'm just doing extension, right?
Yes. Extension and nail art, right?
Extension and nail art.
These are baby nails. She got her nails, huh?
Blush.
This is blush.
What is known as?
This is dusting brush. Put the blush your face.
No, all the pimples are there. Nails will grow there. Then.
Camera.
What's this known as the?
Finally.
Wait, I know what is this called. This is the thing.
Finally. I thought I'm sitting with a dumb.
Something I know. You had told me this, I guess.
Why is this done?
Huh?
Why is this done?
To make it rough.
Rough. I want to still remove the shine. Oh, Jesus Christ. Mom, what's wrong with what did she eat?
Smoothen them.
Why you remove the shine of the nails, but
Because otherwise then the product won't sit on your natural nails with all the oil on it.
guys, getting to learn, okay? Take a notebook and pen and sit. My sister is gonna give nail lessons.
Nail lessons, nail tips.
All lessons only are going on in my life.
Why don't you take a book and study?
How? I'm filming this.
Bahana.
Do you any nail tips you want to share with them?
Nail tips for
Like you should do for nails to remain healthy?
Firstly, follow my Insta handle. Beautiful you. On that, I keep sharing some tips for beauty, for nails, and a small tip right now, I would say, massage a cuticle with coconut oil at least 4 to 5 times a week before sleeping. Like how we apply some moisturizer for your face and your hands, that way your nails also need a little bit of care, so do that. Secondly, no biting your nails, which usually most of the kids do, even youngsters do, so they have all this bitten nails. खाना खा लो,
नाखून मत चबाओ.
मत खा लो. And what else? Let your nails breathe. Do not let nail paints be on your nails like for days and days together. You should let your nails breathe also at times.
Heard all the girls, even guys do nowadays nails.
Models do. Guys, I'm not sure. Guys do one nail, not all the nails. Some guys.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fashion.
Thumb in the little finger. Okay, mama.
And
So now we'll check your nail size.
after this I shouldn't go near the gas, right? Nail extension ke baad.
Nail extension, yes. They say you shouldn't near the gas, or that will catch fire or something. But then, if you want your nail extension to stay a little longer than
So to
the
all the
normal
girls,
extensions, then you should avoid going near the gas. I mean, near heaty things like even the hand dryer or all.
so for
Not much. You can go, obviously, you can't stay without going close to it, but then try avoiding if you want the extension to be a little more longer than it usually is. So extension stays up to a good 20 days, 15 to 20 days if you are, that a regular home worker, you do all the home work or anything like that. But if you are not doing any work and just relaxing or something like that, then it goes for a good 35 to 40 days.
well, to all the girls who didn't know, because I also didn't know this, note it down.
Okay, bye. I'm doing my nails now. Don't disturb.
The glue gets dry and the
These are the nails.
better. Glue what is applied on the dry.
She's just checking my size of my nails. What is this width? As per that, she'll apply this nails.
Which
Knuckles.
nails is fitting your nail bed? Is what we are doing now.
I was wondering, how do people go and sit in the parlors for so many hours to do their nails? I too can't sit here for 1 second even. I need to shake. God. What do you prefer? Nakli nails or real nails?
But obviously everybody likes the original nails, but this is for people who original nails are not that great. If they are flat and if they are weak, then they like to put extensions.
So long extensions will put. How they will scratch their nose. Also, how they will. I don't understand. I don't know how I will. I never ever grew my nails like so long. But he's gonna put long extension. Also, I'm sorry if I'm moving a lot because I'm filming as well as doing my nails, so that you all may know what am I doing. What I am doing. Is to cure the nails, right?
It's LED lamp.
Acha.
Want attention.
Attention seeker. That's how Hazy talks. What is it? What? Look here now. What is it?
Tell the audience what is it.
Tell the audience. She's just doing her nails. Try. Come try, keep belly ho. Pudina chai, this is yum. It's Kaplani Valley Ho.
Go. Go, man, peel.
Oh. It's hot. साजिश की है मेरी बहन ने मुझे जलाने की. See this torch. What is this? This is for
Quick cure.
we are going to do the
We are going to stick the extended nails to your natural nail.
Well guys, I wanted to tell you all this also. Like when I used to see people doing the nails and I was like, yo, how can they do their nails? I used to not like it at all. And today I'm doing it. It's camera in action.
This is for quick curing the nails. Like instead of putting it one by one and putting it in the curing lamp, this is a flash torch.
Yeah, I had a question. That when
Question mark.
I wanted to ask that when people do this nails and all, their nails don't get spoiled over the original nails because you're putting so many products on it and curing and what not.
So like I said, your nail has to breathe also. I mean, obviously we are girls and we love nail extensions, we like long nails, we like design nails, but make sure you're not doing it back to back. Like give it a break. For example, now we are going to do this, right? Whenever your nails uplift and come out, do a refill immediately. We'll wait for like say a month or so, give it a break. There are people who keep doing refills a lot, but I don't think so that's good for your nails.
That
Like how would you like putting makeup 24/7 and
No.
sleeping with it? No, we like to remove it also,
Spoiled.
right? So the same thing goes with nails also.
but many actors, actresses, they keep on like doing their nails and all. Their nails don't get spoiled, or what?
No, I think they also have. They put this press on nails. It's not always necessary. They do with nail extensions also. We do have press on nails also, you know, right? Temporary.
Yeah, the one which we put glue and yeah.
Yes.
So
They do that.
So the difference between press-on nails and gel extension is that gel extension remains for many days, but press-on nails can take off.
Yeah, press on nails if you are into the water. Like I had applied press on nails for my last birthday and I had gone swimming. How smart I can be. And swimming, like after some time I could see the nails floating along with me over there. They were also like swimming with me.
That was funny. So the extensions are done. Well, I want you all to wish me luck because I'm already uncomfortable with these nails. I mean, I couldn't even pick my phone up. How do you manage these long nails? One thing good about these nails, I can scratch my nose. It's too long, right? Scratch my hands. Also, I wanted to tell that for us it's so relaxing. Like for 1-2 hours we just pamper ourselves, but for the nail artists, all the nail artists over there, kudos. I saw my sister struggling with my nails. You also need perfection in this, like no air bubbles and all the stuff. The ones who do their nails frequently, they may be knowing. I don't know whether they all may be knowing or not, but I got this lessons from my sister, and now you have lessons too. So whenever you go to do your nails, to check, make sure that they do it well as per the steps, because my sister has done professionally and she knows all the steps and she gave all the knowledge about that. So you'll have the knowledge to make use of it. Okay, that's not done. They're like plastic, no? If you not like the video yet, please do click a thumbs up. It encourages me to do more videos.
So these are the almond shaped nails. It's food time. Papaya also.
Snack time. Snack time.
Why want special attention and treatment? Huh? Okay, so your base coat is done, and now it's selection time. Color selection time.
Yay! Almond. Wanna eat? Let's do this.
Select the design.
Christmas? Christmas or Mickey? Cartoons like me or Christmas? I guess Christmas is coming close, so
Just select from this bit. In time, which design you want? Animal print. You want something like swirls. You want this leopard print. The Christmas. And then there's snowflakes, candy, Santa cap.
Finally, I'm done with my nails, and it was so tiring. I don't know how I'm going to manage these nails, but how is it looking? Do comment below and let me know how is the work. My sister has done a great job, I feel, and the nail art is just so pretty. This is zebra. This is zebra one, and the color combination is just so cute. Well, I hope you loved this video. I'm so sorry, I'm so tired. Do give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.